Namaste, sir.
Namaste, sir.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Sarvesh Babu Kushwaha.
Mr. Sarvesh, where have you come from?
I am from district Etawah, Uttar Pradesh.
Sir, when did you take spiritual initiation from Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, I took initiation from Saint Rampal ji on 10th March 2014.
Were you involved in any type of worship before coming under the refuge of Saint Rampal ji?
Yes, sir. I worshipped all gods and goddesses. I lit a lamp in Goddess Kali's temple as well as in Shani temple on every Saturday.
How did you come under the shelter of Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, my parents-in-law used to watch the satsang of Saint Rampal ji on the television on Sadhana channel. My father-in-law had some problem in his foot and he was in a lot of pain. After listening to the satsang, he said, if God can cure the pain of everyone, if the diseases can be cured, then I urge you, Saint Rampal ji, that I will come under your shelter if my pain gets reduced tonight. His pain got reduced by the morning itself. They went to Barwala ashram and took initiation from Saint Rampal ji. After coming back, they told us about the same and we also started listening to the satsang of Saint Rampal ji on Sadhana channel. My father was not able to see anything due to some problem in his eyes, which is why we decided to visit the ashram. I, along with my parents, wife and children, took spiritual initiation from Saint Rampal ji on 10th March 2014. We also received the blessings of Saint Rampal ji, who is no other than God himself.
Sir, did you get any benefits after taking initiation from Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, I have received so many benefits that if I start telling all of them, then entire night will be less. First, my father had a problem in his eyes, due to which he lost his sight. So, I took him for a checkup at SN Medical College, Delhi. After consulting, the doctor told that a nerve in his eye has burst and his vision can't come back. There is no point in getting him operated as there won't be any recovery. I told the doctor that we have taken initiation from Saint Rampal ji and insisted him for carrying out the operation as I had full faith on the power of Saint Rampal ji. He told me to first take the permission of senior doctor and the operation was carried out. It took an hour for the operation to get completed. Then, after some time, they removed the bandages and asked my father if he was able to see anything. He told us that he is able to see everything clearly. It is just due to the miracle of Saint Rampal ji Maharaj. My father started to see things. The doctor has asked, "Are you able to see?" He replied, "Today I can see everything, which I was not from past few months." After a while, he himself went to the washroom and told us that he has got his vision back only with the grace of Saint Rampal ji. Once I was travelling to Agra. Vehicles were coming and going through one way. It was night and the road was completely jammed by the police. They had put a barrier on the road. They had tied a thick telephone wire. It was tied horizontally on the way. I was wearing helmet and due to the lights, I was not able to see it and my bike directly hit the wire, which was at a speed of 50 km per hour. The handle and the headlights broke and hit my chest. But with the seamless blessings of Saint Rampal ji, I didn't get a single scratch. If I wouldn't have been under Saint Rampal ji's refuge, I would have lost my life. It is all because of his grace that I am alive. The next miracle is from 2019 itself. I had fever for 2 or 3 times. I told my wife that I am having a bad feeling. I am feeling that I am about to die. She told me to visit a doctor. Blood started coming out from my mouth. So I thought that there might be some problem with my teeth. I went to the dentist and he was not able to understand anything. He gave me a medicine which I took in the afternoon. After that I had food and lied down on the bed. I felt that this medicine is not right and went to see another dentist. He told that there is no problem in my mouth, nor in my teeth. He guided me. I visited a physician who lives in Agra, who immediately told me for a test, as the blood platelets were low. I had black spots on my body, which was because of the low platelet count. I went for the test in a laboratory at the Agra Delhi gate. During the test, the entire staff was stunned that you are extremely unwell. How can you act so easy? I told them that I am a disciple of Saint Rampal Ji and nothing wrong can happen to me. Entire staff said that you are unwell, but I said, why would I lie when I am having any trouble? They told me to take the report from Kamlanagar Center. I went there, but the senior doctor told them generate his report again as there is some problem. When they did the report again, the platelet count was only 15,000. They told me to get admitted in the hospital. As the doctor wasn't present at that time, the compounder saw my report and asked me, where was the patient? He needs to be admitted soon, as according to the report, he is very serious. I told him that I am the patient. Admit me. The compounder said, how can you be the patient? You are completely fine. I told him it's the grace of Saint Rampal Ji. You admit me. He then called the doctor and admitted me. We arranged the quantity of blood required, which was injected by, but when they took the test on the next day, the platelets got reduced from 15,000 to 5,000. I then prayed to Saint Rampal Ji that if die, my kids are very small and the society won't let my wife live peacefully. We prayed and got the reply from Saint Rampal Ji that God will shower blessings on you. Just keep worshipping. Then the disciples of Saint Rampal Ji donated their blood, and the very next day, the platelets increased from 5,000 to 34,000. It is all because of Saint Rampal Ji's grace that I am fit and fine today. Also, my wife suffered from an allergy. She was bearing this pain since 4 to 6 years. As soon as we took initiation from Saint Rampal Ji, that allergy also got cured.
Sir, did you consume any type of narcotics?
Yes, sir. I used to be intoxicated most of the time. I used to drink beer, smoked cigarettes, chewed tobacco as well. I had all bad habits in me.
So have you left consuming narcotics after taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji?
Sir, after taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji, I live a life free from narcotic substances, as if I never consumed these. Though I tried in the past to get rid of these habits, but I could not leave them. After taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji, I am free from all these evils. I am completely healthy now. Sir, earlier I was attached with Jai Gurudev Panth for 10 years, but I was not able to get rid of my bad habits. At that place, people used to consume narcotics freely. Cigarette smoking was a common thing there. But Jai Gurudev never opposed such practices, nor did he have the correct path and true way of worship.
Sir, after taking initiation from Saint Rampal ji, you received many benefits. Also, a miracle happened that your father's vision come back with the grace of Saint Rampal ji. So, what message would you like to give to the people who are watching your interview?
With folded hands, I request all my brothers and sisters who are watching me to come under the refuge of Saint Rampal ji and attain salvation.
Sir, how can a person take initiation from Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, there are many mediums via which a person can take initiation from Saint Rampal ji. There are numerous Namdan centers, one in every district. You can visit any and take initiation free of cost and make your human life worth it.
Thank you, sir.
Sat Sahib.